I'm Hot Car Track.
I'm MC.
And this is Mount Western Raceway. We're in the semi-finals and this is Heat 2. There's 61 Impalas through, so let's look at today's competitors. First up we have Muscle Speeder with a time of 5.075. Next up we have Shelby Cobra Daytona with the fastest track time out of these three competitors. And the last competitor is Plymouth Barracuda. Has he got the speed to take on Mount Western Raceway? The first car to win 3 races wins that elusive spot in the finals.
Let's do it. Race 1.
The tension's mounting, I can feel this. Here comes the Shelby, he's going into the first turn, he's got a good clean line. Here comes the Barracuda. Hang on, it's the Shelby. No, it's the Barracuda.
Winner, Plymouth Barracuda.
Take us to the replay, MC.
Okay.
I really thought the Shelby had this going into the first turn. He's a bit low and then went up high and lost a bit of speed. And the Barracuda just saw the open track and said, I'm going for it, man. Bit of jostling there on that second turn, but it's the Barracuda all the way. So there you have it. Race 1. Winner, Barracuda.
Race 2.
I reckon these guys would be nervous going into the semis. Here comes the speeder into turn 1. Oh, he just leaves the other 2 for dead and says, check you later, guys. I'm taking this win. Bam! Oh, the Barracuda hits the speeder. Oh, and the Daytona. They're not happy.
Winner, Muscle Speeder. Let's go to the replay.
Lock it in, mate. Good early pace, the speeder's out front, you can see he's desperate, but the Shelby hits really hard. The Barracuda's trying to catch up, but it's the speeder all the way.
Interesting racing, HC.
Sure is, mate. Well, Muscle Speeder gets his first win on the board. Out of race 2.
Race 3.
Oh, the Barracuda hits the wall and there goes the Muscle Speeder right out front. The Speeder's gone! Here comes the Shelby for his first win. Unbelievable racing here on Mount Western Raceway.
Winner, Shelby Cobra Daytona.
Hit that replay, MC.
I'm onto it.
You can see the Shelby cuts in front of the Barracuda. That leaves the track wide open for the Speeder. He's got a good line, but he hits the wall. Bam! He's gone. And the Shelby's gone. I can see the finish line from here. I'm taking this, lads. I'll catch you later. I'm getting my first win on the board in these semi-finals. Never a dull moment here on Mount Western Raceway. Shelby Cobra Daytona scores his first win. All tied up going into race 4.
Race 4.
Shelby's out front. Oh, he blocks the other 2 cars. Oh, the Shelby hits up high. Here comes the Barracuda. Don't know what's happened to the other 2. It's the Barracuda out front. Oh, the Shelby's gone. Oh, it's sloppy racing, but hey, it's a win by the Barracuda. Oh, the Speedster slams into the Barracuda.
Winner, Plymouth Barracuda. I'll take us to the replay, HC.
Go for it. This semi-finals are really anyone's win. Yeah, I don't know what the Shelby's doing, blocking everyone. Left the gate wide open for the Barracuda. Sloppy driving, as I said before. He's through for his second win.
Interesting racing here, HC.
Race 4 sees the Plymouth Barracuda score his second win. Very interesting.
Race 5.
I'm on edge up here in the booth. The Barracuda's out front. Oh, the Speedster's gone off the track. Looks like the Barracuda's going to score his third win and make it into the finals. The Shelby comes from nowhere and takes the Barracuda.
Winner, Shelby Cobra Daytona.
Oh, MC, I can't take the pressure. Take us to the replay.
I'm onto it now.
Oh, I thought the Barracuda had this, but look, the Speedster just goes off the rails and these 2 are fighting it out to the bitter end. Unbelievable racing from the Shelby. Unbelievable. Well, that late charge from the Shelby Cobra Daytona sees him scores his second win in these semi-finals.
Race 6.
Exciting racing here in the semi-finals of Mount Western Raceway. The Shelby Cobra out front going into turn 1. No way! He's going to take this out. There's no one behind him. It's the Shelby Cobra Daytona. He scores the second spot in the semi-finals. Unbelievable racing.
Winner, Shelby Cobra Daytona.
What do you think, MC?
I think the Shelby has the pace to take on the 61 Impala.
Take us to the replay, MC.
Doing it now.
Oh, the Shelby just has a fantastic start out of the gate, goes up high, has a beautiful line going into turn 2, and he's left the other two competitors for dead. Unbelievable racing by the Shelby. Congratulations to the Shelby Cobra Daytona. You go through to the semi-finals with the 61 Impala. So here's your first look at the second competitor in the finals, the Shelby Cobra Daytona. So here we are, here's the final standings after semi-final 2. The Shelby Cobra Daytona hits it up with the 61 Impala going into the finals. I'm Hot Car Track and this is Mount Western Raceway. Thanks for watching.